Spicy garlic wok noodles with stir-fried veg and tofu recipe. Yield, 4 small servings, 2 large servings. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 25 minutes. Total time, 30 minutes. Ingredients. Half a tablespoon, 7 milliliters oil. 5 cups, 250 grams mushrooms, sliced thinly. 1 cup, 180 grams seasoned tofu strips. 4 cloves garlic, crushed. 1 medium red onion, finely chopped. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. 120 grams wok noodles GF if desired. 1 medium carrot, thinly sliced. 1/2 large head of broccoli, cut into florets. 2 red bell peppers, julienned. 2 tablespoons sambal chili paste. 2 tablespoons ketjap, Indonesian sweet soy sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, tamari if GF. 2 tablespoons roasted sesame seeds to garnish, optional. Directions. 1. In a large pot on high heat, add the oil and mushrooms with the lid off. After 5 minutes, reduce the heat to medium-high and stir on occasion until the mushrooms have released its moisture and the water begins to evaporate. This will take another 5 minutes or so. While this cooks, chop the veggies. 2. Increase the heat back to high and add the tofu, garlic, onion and black pepper, stirring frequently until the onions become transparent and the garlic browns, about 5 minutes. At this point, all the moisture from the mushrooms should be evaporated. 3. While this cooks, prepare the wok noodles according to package directions. For mine, I cooked it like pasta, added it to a medium pot of boiling water, then reduced the heat to a simmer and cooked until al dente, about 5 to 8 minutes. When cooked, drain, rinse with cold water and set aside 4. Add the vegetables to the pot and cook for another 5 minutes. 5. Finally, add the sambal, ketjap and soy sauce, toss to combine and allow to cook for another 2 minutes. Add the cooked noodles to the large pot and toss everything together until well combined. Alternatively, you can serve the noodles and stir-fry separately. Garnish with sesame seeds and serve while hot. Notes. 1. If you don't have sambal, any chili paste will do. If you don't have ketjap, sub with soy sauce instead. 2. Variations, add any veggies you like. Serve with rice instead of noodles. 3. Speed it up, I used pre-seasoned tofu to speed up the prep time. 4. Storage, store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos please subscribe and like our channel.